In the first section, you learned how to get access to SAS. In this section, you are going to learn that how do you understand SAS syntax by example. So we are going to first talk about the data, and then we'll show you how do you import or fetch data in SAS. How do you how do you create data directly in SAS? How do you get basic feel of data, especially how do you print the metadata, that is contents, which is the information about the data, or how do you print the actual data? How do you conduct the frequency distribution of numeric variable, categorical variable? How do you analyze numeric variable? How do you sort data, ascending, descending? How do you remove duplicate? How do you merge two data sets? How do you append two data sets? What's the difference between merging and appending? How do you conduct numeric variable analysis for each category separately? So if you have male and female, how can you get analysis of male separately, female separately without creating two different data sets? How do you use if-else logic to derive new variables? And then what are the operators? What are the logical operators, comparison operator, all those things? Then how do you truncate data? So essentially, how do you filter data row wise? Means like, you are selecting only few rows which are meeting criteria. Or how do you delete few rows which are meeting your criteria? Or how do you just take few columns? Or how do you just drop few columns? So we are going to discuss those things. Then we are going to understand the substring, using which you take part of the string separately. Then in operator we are going to discuss, because that's a very, I should say, useful operator. Many a times it has been special attention has been given on that. How do you create a cross tab? How do you create analysis for each group separately, each part separately? And then we are also going to discuss that how do you deal with date variable, because date at times troubles you a lot. So how do you create date? How do you display date? How do you operate with date? Then proc SQL at the end, and proc SQL is very handy because if you are coming from SQL background, it helps you to pick up SAS very easily, because you can use SQL statement directly within the SAS envelope. And we learn that how can you directly fetch data from database, what is the process. This will not show the demo, but we'll show that okay, at least what is the process of connecting to the database, what is the process of fetching data from the database.